Hey guys, in this video we will install Go language latest version on Ubuntu using a snap. Then we will just have a quick project setup, and using that setup we will run our first project. Okay. So to install Go language on your machine, all you need to go inside your terminal. In terminal, you just need to put this command sudo snap install Go with this classic flag. Okay, enter. As you can see, this Go version has been installed on your machine. So the next step is to make a project setup. So for that, you need to be mindful about the project folder. So for example, as you can see, I have this Go language folder, and inside that folder I have created this Go project folder, which is actually a empty directory. So I will open this folder in VS Studio Code. As you can see, VS Studio Code opened in this Go project. Now in this we need to run one command. So for that you can go inside the terminal and click on new terminal. This is the terminal will open. Okay, and in terminal you can see we are in Go project folder. Now the next step is that you need to create one module. Okay, so for that we have command like go mod init then example.com, and after that you need to write the name of the folder in which you are making the setup of the project. So currently we are in this Go project folder, so I'll write down the name of the folder Go project and then enter. As you can see, it has created go.mod file here. Now to run your first project, all you need to do is to create a new file. I will name this as a first file.go. Okay, so in this first file.go, the first thing we'll write, we'll mention the package main. Then after that, we can import. I'll import fmt library here, and after importing this we need to write down the main function. Okay, so in this main function we can write one hello world message using this fmt library. So all we need to use is like fmt dot print ln, and I will write down hello world, this is Go project. Now all I need to save it. Now to run this file, I can do is to just write down go run and then the name of the file. The name of file is firstfile.go. All you need to enter. As you can see the output here, hello world, this is the Go project. So this is it.